Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify under 18. First, it's important to understand that Shopify's terms of service require account owners to be at least 18 years old. This age requirement is in place because running an online store involves entering into legal contracts and managing financial transactions. Minors are generally not legally able to enter into such agreements, so direct account ownership is not permitted. The most common and compliant way for someone under 18 to use Shopify is by partnering with a parent or legal guardian. Your guardian can create the Shopify account using their personal and financial information. They will be the official account owner, taking on the legal and financial responsibilities. Once the account is set up, they can add you as a staff member, giving you access to manage the store's day-to-day activities. When operating a Shopify store with a guardian, their financial information, including banking details, will be used for all billing and payment processing. Any income generated from your store's sales will be legally attributed to your guardian for tax purposes. It is essential to have clear and open conversations with your guardian about managing these finances and understanding any potential tax implications from the very beginning. As you approach your 18th birthday, you can plan to transition the Shopify store ownership into your own name. This process involves updating all the legal and financial information associated with the account to reflect your status as an adult. Shopify provides mechanisms for transferring account ownership, and it is advisable to contact their support team for detailed guidance to ensure a smooth and compliant transition.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.